Hi everyone, good morning. So I'm just gonna wait maybe 30-40 seconds before we start. But today I just want to talk about some of the stocks this morning. And definitely I'm gonna start with AMC. Then we have BlackBerry looking nice. At the same time, we have PLTR, we have NNDM, Microvision, Wish, and so on. And if you like the video, just hit the like button so that more people can join. At the same time, if you're new here, then you can just subscribe. I'm just gonna wait some more time, maybe 30-second max. So in the chat, if you want, you can also write what particular ticker you are planning for today. Do you have anything in mind? Like, are you thinking, or you want me in NDM? Yeah, so I covered a video on in NDM yesterday, and the pre-market is still very flat. And definitely we will see how things go, but I'm very interested for BlackBerry, and definitely AMC is the big one today. um yeah, and today is a Friday. Sometime, like when it is Friday, so people just take off their profit before end of the week. They do not want to risk their money, they do not want to leave their money in the market. So you just take. Anyway, let's just start. CLNE. Hi Abir. Okay, so let's just start with okay, let's start with NNDM because these are the ones we have, then we can go from there. So I made a video yesterday on NNDM, so hopefully you have watched it. And the important thing was I was talking about the important level of 8.2, because we tried to break 8.2 few times yesterday and we could not, right? We went 8.2, came down, and we tried few times. Then after 8.2, then again I move to a 5-minute chart here. Yeah, whenever I go online, things move very slowly, maybe when I select the window. Then we have 8.3 and 8.4, and I was talking about 8.5 would be the resistance. And see what happened today, a big drop again from 8.2. There's a big, you see the big red candle here. It came down all the way to now. I think it is sitting at $8, but again 14 cent, not a end of the world. It's not like nothing gonna happen. So on a chart, if you want, you can watch my video where I talked about an NDM chart. But again, this is the chart I'm looking at. And let me load my chart here. So from the previous chart, I talked about 8. Hi, JP. Good morning, everyone. Whenever there is a lag in my video, let me know, because YouTube just gives me an error message every time. So I'm very angry why I get this, but anyway, looks good. So again, for NNDM 8.2 and 8.5, these are the important ones. So you see currently we are at 8, but yeah, we have to go and break 8.2, then 8.5, and definitely it will go up. And also the short interest is 28% for NNDM. Same time, there are lots of talking happening that the Reddit community, they will pump NNDM. But anyway, NNDM is a great stock. It has a good fundamental. So if you're long term, then this is a good hold. At the other hand, I always mention, if you hold a lot of stock, like it can be NNDM, it can be Wish. Let's say the price is at $12, and Wish, your price is, let's say, $14 or $15, and you want to sell Wish at $15 or $16, you can always sell some covered call for 15 or 16 strike. So if it never goes to 15 or 16, whatever you get for selling the covered call, that will be in your pocket. And definitely if you hold a lot of share, that makes a lot of money. At the same time, if Wish goes to 15 or 16, yeah, then why not? You just sell at 15 or 16. There is nothing to lose. That is why I always stress on selling covered call if you hold lot of share. I know many people here, they hold a lot of share. So definitely there's something. If you want, let me know, we can talk more. Today, yeah, today is fine. End of the week, I always find end of the week, in the afternoon there is some kind of sell-off. I'm going to talk about AMC and Abir. I will go to CLNE again. So first of all, AMC, we know the battle. it has to be over 60, and yesterday we saw so many times whenever it goes over 60, 62, heavy sell off, then it comes down. Then again the retailers, they come and they push this thing, and again it goes up. So up and down, up and down. And also keep that in mind, 60 is not the end of the world. Even though AMC stops at 59 or something, lots of call option will be exercised. So again there will be a pressure, but today lots of option will be exercised, so there will be a pressure for buying more shares. Things can change, but anyway, 60 is the psychological barrier, and everyone thinks if we can stay over 60 by Friday, things will move. So again, watch the level. If you want, you can enter midday or something. If you see it is over 60, 62, then most probably Monday there will be some kind of squeeze. So that's the AMC thing. And definitely I'm not day trading AMC, but again, if you're not sure what to do, if you have lots of profit, I would say just set up a trailing stop loss. So in case AMC comes to 52, 53, and your trailing stop loss is at 10%, let's say it's 10%, the price is 60, so whenever AMC will come below 54, it will be automatically sold. So you are not losing anything. But again, the battle is around 60. So if we can maintain 60 today, that would be the best thing. I think then it will push towards 65, 68 area, or even 73, but that would be the nice thing. So I think most probably the video is still working, because YouTube, I don't know, whenever I do something, it just says not receiving enough video, but I can see my live is moving, which is good. So this is the AMC thing. And yesterday after market, I talked about and I showed you how many call options are below 60 and they are still open, meaning that they will be exercised today. So again, that will be fun. I'm watching AMC. The next thing is BlackBerry. If you have noticed, BlackBerry, actually they are doing pretty good. Yesterday they were up 4.8%. In the morning it was up little bit, but again it is down only by 5 cents, not a big deal. But they have a earning, and definitely earning is always a catalyst. And you can see that yesterday it ran all the way. It was hitting a resistance around, I would say 13.7, yeah, around this area you can see. Then after market and pre-market it is moving sideways, so not looking bad. As long the 13.7, this area is intact, I think this is good. This is moving for a next push. Let me open the BlackBerry chart here. Okay, today, yeah, I changed some settings today on the bit rate and the audio, so it's still maybe some kind of yeah, trial and error we can try. But hi Devin, first time in the live. You have made me some good dollar on the past watching you WMC sauce CLOV. First of all, thank you so much for joining the live. And whenever I hear that people has made money, it's a small amount or good amount, it feels so good. Even though if some people say they did not make the money, but they learned something. Whatever, if I can contribute in any way, it can be in terms of money, it can be in terms of giving some knowledge, I feel good that I'm helping someone, I'm building a community. And at the same time, when I give something, I also want in return. Like now, it just gave me some tickers. So again, I love to watch this ticker. I know about SOS, CLOV, BlackBerry, UWMC. I did not watch, but maybe in this live we can go through this again. Okay, so I'm showing you the BlackBerry chart. How my video is going. Let me see. Ha. Thank you, JP. Thank you. Like last time you also yeah, give the tip. Thank you so much. It is so encouraging. Like whenever I see something I get in return. I'm not asking, give me. I never asked, I think, but it feels good and makes me more motivated and inspired that okay, in return I'm getting something. So definitely this is good for me. I think my video might be frozen, but no, my mouse is moving, so it is good. Thanks, JP. Okay, so for the BlackBerry thing, so I think my chart is looking okay. So I'm gonna show you the chart here. So you see the bottom here, 12.7, and yeah, we are also a good community. I know JP because we connect a lot, and he is very good. He picks some very good stock, and he sometimes he tells me, okay, look at this, and I go and see. So yeah, it's a nice community again. Okay, so if the video is working correctly, and then look at the area around 12.53. Let me know if my mouse is pointing at the right direction. So I'm showing the 12.5 support here, and that was the previous support for a BlackBerry and still is intact. So even if it comes down to the, in any case, 12.5 or even 13 area, if you want, you can buy. But the very, very important thing is we have to hold the floor around 13.75 for BlackBerry, because once we hold and maintain 13.75, this thing will definitely go higher and higher. They have an earning coming soon. As per Yahoo, it shows me they have an earning. So yeah, that's the thing. But and you know, last time, like when we broke 13.74, I made post that it's gonna run. It went all the way to 21, so it was again fun. But again, chart wise, again, not get too excited. Even you look at the bigger picture here, again we need to see, can we hold 13.75 here. I'm gonna pause the live for a few seconds and I'm gonna start again. Sometime it helps. Yeah, I'm connecting again. MMMD has a short gambling beat in Ohio. Okay, okay, Devin, again, thank you so much. Okay, so I think we are good with BlackBerry. So let's move to the next one. I think for PLTR. So for the PLTR, they came up with a PR this morning, and if you have noticed the PR, so the PR was FAA selects Palantir for aircraft certification safety monitoring solution. I'm just looking at my screen because is it coming at the same time? This is more important. Okay. Okay, so I see my Palantir is here. Perfect. So the news came this morning at 7 o'clock. So it has a so this is a catalyst, right? So today they announced it has been contracted by Federal Aviation Administration, which is FAA, to provide a data analytics tool that will help advance the agency's modernization objective for aviation safety. So it's a catalyst. People sometimes they do not go through the entire thing, but this is again a catalyst, and this kind of catalyst normally helps to go up over let me load it. Okay, yeah, it was up in the morning, Palantir, and again it came down by 6 cents. Again, it's not a end of the world. It came only 5 cents or 4 cents, but yeah. Do you want me to go through the PLTR chart here just to show? My video is so weird. My video is so weird. Every day I get the same issues. People are leaving. It happens every day. Yeah. Okay. So we are looking at the PLTR chart. I see most people left just because of the bad connection, and I'm really struggling with my connection. It is so good, but whenever I go on live, everything is destroyed. Everything is destroyed. I don't know why. Uh, so I see still some people are there. So thank you for staying, and it's the morning time. So anyway, so PLTR. So that was the line last time I drew, that the black line. They are going up just using a consistent health. So it is going up, up, up. It has a resistance around 25, and currently it is battling the 25 resistance and moving sideways, trying to break 25, but it couldn't, came down, and again yesterday we saw it was up 25. So the important thing is, again, if it can hold 25, I think 27.8, that is a very important area for PLTR, because if I move to a daily chart here, you will see how things are moving. JP, are you still here? Okay. Or is my audio is okay? My video is just keeps freezing every time. Okay, so on the PLTR, if you look at the chart, so it has been really making some good progress for last few days. From 18 it came all the way to 25, and the trend was okay and moving sideways, and you see there was a resistance. JPS is fine. Thanks for the rocket. So the 25, that was important resistance, and it seems like we just broke it today, and still we are up. So the next leg for PLTR would be towards 27.6 area, because that will be another resistance, and we will have $30. And again, PLTR is a long-term hold, and people have so many different price target. So again, if you're holding PLTR, do not worry. If you remember in this channel, when PLTR came around 18-19 area, we bought a long expiry call option for PLTR, and we made some good profit. I sold my PLTR call option, but again, if you're still holding, I know some of the names. If you guys are still holding, then definitely you must be in profit, or you must be heading towards more profit. And 30. So Hamza, are you talking about PLTR at $30? Yeah, I got it at 30. Okay. So then we have NNDM. We talked, and the other one I was looking at microvision. It was up in the, yeah, I don't know, like whenever I started everything, it was positive pre-market. Now I see everything is flat or a little bit of red. So maybe a sign. Very careful look at the market around 920. Maybe things are coming down. The excitement is gone. And again, one other thing I want to mention here, whenever last time you remember AMC and GameStop, they went so far, and the other stocks came down because people were taking money and they were investing in GameStop and AMC. So that shake the market a lot. So again, sometimes we love AMC to go. At the same time with AMC, our seen Betty play, they also go. At the same time, you might see some other stock, they come down. So again, this is something to watch out. Okay, so I'm showing you microvision and seems like it's frozen. Okay, my video is not loading. I need to do something, right? And I have a call option for microvision, and the call option is going to expire in July, and I bought it a little bit high around 23 area. So still I am watching microvision carefully because yeah, I need to get my break even. But again, so microvision was up, it came down, but again you can see a huge red. This is so funny because in the morning it seems like it went up like almost $21. Then there is a huge red candle. It came down all the way to 20.3, moving sideways again. There is no big excitement. Do you want me to cover any specific one? Because I'm just talking, but yeah, we have sauce, clove, FSR was really doing good. So little bit of profit from FSR. We started the fiscal thing. Yeah, so see the clove thing is still on a daily. It is not looking great. It went all the way to 28, and all the red candle are 1 day of candle, so it is just coming down and down and down, and seems like it might found a support, but truly speaking, this thing can fall all the way to 1160, 1170 area, because it's still, like you see, there is a big downward pressure. There was a support around 15, it was broken. There was a support around 13.3, it is broken, and I think it will move towards yeah, 11.7 area. Try closing time tabs, and forgot. Yeah, no, I don't know, because I closed many of the tabs yesterday and it works really fine. The only thing is, like, whenever I come live, everything becomes slow. That's the thing. I'm just closing everything, but hopefully it will be okay. Or I might just do it by myself, just to check the live, and maybe I change the software. I need to do something, and this thing is always frozen. Huh. So is there any particular stock you are betting today that it will go? So you see the downward pressure for clove. So again, nothing exciting. So nothing exciting. This thing is coming down, and it will come down all the way to 11.7. I think that will be a good point if you want to buy it. Otherwise, if the hype is gone, then don't touch it. That's the only thing I want to say. Okay, so Neo. So the software I'm using, it is called OBS Studio. Do you know any other software that is really good? I heard about Adobe. People use that. I never tried. I really want to get a good software because I plan to make live, and I do not want to give you a bad experience every morning that, oh, my line is bad. I feel so bad. People come early in the morning. We want to talk, and I do not want to hold everyone just saying the same thing again and again. I think still my chart is showing me CLOV, but I pulled up NEO here. So NEO is looking really great, and we had a tough resistance around 46 area, and we broke it. I think the next stop NEO will run towards 49, and again we will have something around 54. Let me know. I think you are still looking at the CLOV chart, if I'm not mistaken. Hoping to see some movement on NNDM CCIV. I know you like CCIV. Hoping to see a dip on AMC to buy. It was going crazy to buy at 42. Yeah, 42 was the important floor. And the chart you were looking at, this is a NEO chart. So 42 was a good point, and I bought some of NEO, AMC around 42. Then again, I sold it around 60 area. Then again, I report again around 453. So some kind of swing trading, but not I'm selling everything because this thing I will hold for long. But NEO is looking really good. It has an important resistance around 47 points. I think around 47 area it was broken. I think this thing is bound to move even higher around 50, 54, and again 60. Whoever is long term here, please consider NEO. This is a very, very good one, and this thing will go up. They were having issues with the chip shortage, and that thing will be gone by Q3, and definitely you will see it. And again, you see it came down all the way to 31, 35, 34 area, and it bounced off. So next time if it comes around 34 or 31, go heavy, because this thing will bounce back again. No video is okay. Okay, at least I can see the chart by myself, so I can talk. But yeah, so definitely NEO is something. I entered NEO first time around $14. I was playing with some call option. I sold around 30. I never thought it will go to 65. Lack of long-term vision, but again it was a massive profit, so why I close it. So yeah, I stopped NEO. Then we have CCIV, and again CCIV, we know what happened. It went all the way to 60, then came all the way to 20, and again it is moving sideways. It hit a recent resistance around 27.6, and coming down there was another resistance 24.7. That thing is also broken. Now the current price is 23.55. So yeah, again CCIV is moving sideways. The important thing is CCIV needs to hold 23.5. Let me open my chart. Yeah, 22.6. I think my chart is still not loading, right? Yeah, I think the important thing is CCIV should not come below 22.7 area. As long this is intact, this thing will bounce again, and it has to break 24.7. And if you remember in my last video, we talked about break of 24.7. It happened, and this thing went all the way to 27.6. That was the resistance. So that thing worked perfectly if you targeted this particular one with support and resistance. Bio will share the market with Tesla. NEO. Yeah, NEO is the future Tesla, right? Or Chinese Tesla. People say never look back once closed. Yeah. So yeah, and hi Joseph. I know you are also making some good profit for last few days. You have been making comments again. Congratulations, whoever is making money. We are here to make money, definitely. So NEO, NNDM, and UWMC. This is one other ticker. It came, and I have CLNE. UWMC. I never played with this one. I have no idea about this one in particular. I do not know that. Yeah, but UWMC is looking nice. It is yeah, moving nice. Like it came and hold the floor around 6.5, moving sideways. And yeah, if you're playing UWMC, I think this is making a nice U-shaped recovery, and you can see the lines here, but I'm just trying to draw some lines here. I think it might go all the way to around 11.5, and even if you're holding, you know, it came back at 11, it got a bounce, and again it is moving sideways. But again, as long the floor around $10 is held, this is good. Then the U-shaped recovery will be full, and this thing will move again towards 11, 11.5, this area. And CLNE, this is 901. I need to change my software. I need to do something. This is frustrating, right? CLNE again is a Wall Street pump, right? And it has a high short interest. It has a Wall Street pump, and it made a good run up, right? So again, it's frozen. Okay, I think I will close very, very soon. If this thing is continuing every day, I will not come to live. It feels so bad. Okay, so 14 was the floor, and again 10.65 is the floor it needs to hold. So yesterday it came and bounced up the 10.65 area. So currently the pre-market is good, 11.66, just showing in my trading view. So looking good. I think it has to break 11.8 again in order to go up. But again, if you remember last time, it had a good run up. It went from 11 to $14, a good run up. Again, if we break 11.8, it can go. Again, this is Friday. People love to take their profit. Uh, Joseph JP, good morning. I love it. Like we all talk here. It's a community. We all talk to each other. It's 9 p.m. over at my side. Oh, where are you? 9 p.m. It must be on the other side of the world. Wow. This is 9 a.m. here, right? I'm using the Eastern time, so definitely you're on the other side. But wow. So how do you trade? Don't you sleep at night? And or just set some limit buy order and sell. Calgary is 7. Yeah, so early. JP, you wake up so early, 7 o'clock. Okay, CLNE. So okay, so if you are planning to make some day trade, I think AMC, BlackBerry, MVIS, and definitely you are part of my community. And whenever I see there is a pop-up or anything, I make a post or I just post a picture of all the things that are going to pop. So yesterday Fisker was something like it made some good movement here. And definitely you are new to this particular channel, please subscribe. At the same time, if you want, you can also join our community. Yeah, just $3 per month. And if you don't like it, you can leave. And again, I'm not asking for a huge amount. I'm just trying to build a community at this point, and that's the goal. We talk to each other. So my video is still frozen. Very very encouraging. ETB is not receiving video on maintain smooth streaming. I think if my sound is okay, let's talk. Lagging a bit, Abir. I think you mentioned CLNE, correct? What do you think about Nokia? Stacy still sleeping. Yeah, normally she comes little late, maybe sleeping. I don't know which time zone, but yeah, she will definitely come at some point. So Nokia, yeah, Nokia is another one which was running. Let me pull up the Nokia chart quickly. And it was not a good trade for me because when all the hype was happening in February, I got in Nokia, but that thing came down. But ooh, Nokia is looking good again. Yeah, Nokia is looking good again. 5.5 was the top. It came to 5.16, and Nokia is truly speaking at sitting at a very important level because 5.1, that's the area. I'm sorry I can't show you the chart, but if you are looking at a daily chart for Nokia, 5.1 was a previous resistance, and it was hit by multiple times recently. We went over 5.1, we went to 5.5, and again we came back to 5.1. So if this thing can be held, and next if we can break 5.5, that will be the fun because this thing after 5.5 can run. You can look at the Nokia chart, but again last time the movement was not okay and the volume was not okay for me, so I lost some money on Nokia, so I'm not going to touch Nokia. So BlackBerry was something I made some money 1 or 2 weeks before, and again I am holding BlackBerry shares. 2 p.m. Okay, and definitely Wish. I think we are really heavy in this particular channel on Wish, and Wish is really doing good. It is holding a nice floor. Should I try instead of window capture? There is something, a display capture option. Let me try this display capture, and I do not want to mess because I'm gonna end the stream very soon. So which is again pre-market, it is 11.05. As long 11 is held strong, this is good. And just looking at the pre-market, everything is coming down, so it is okay to come down. But yesterday you watched Wish, it came down all the way to 10.7, then it went up, and then again we held 11 support, very very strong. Is my audio is still working? It's 9:06 and I might close soon. And I have been talking. Nokia chat is showing fine now. Huh, Nokia chat. Okay, finally the Nokia chat came. Okay, is yeah, it's very slow. But why I was talking about Nokia, this is a very big company. You just play it only for the momentum. If you don't see momentum, you don't play this particular one. But I just drew a red line here around 5.15, so you can see the chart. So yeah, okay. So if there is no trade, if you don't find anything, sometimes no trading is a good trading, because it is better than losing your money. So you're protecting your money. And wish, yes, I wish we can go to the rocket. So I have a call, and in this community I talked about the wish call. So my call is expiring in October. I have a strike price of 11. I'm very confident that it will make me money. So yeah, wish is really a good one. Blackberry, yes. So Blackberry is another one. So definitely we need to think about Blackberry, because they have an earning coming soon. Why? Let me see the Blackberry chart. And I'm also thinking making a video only on Blackberry, one on PLTR, because these things are very promising. So the Blackberry thing, I think they have an earning on 24th of June. So earning is coming next week. So again, there is always an earning hype. If you look at last earning, I think their last earning was not bad. Their last earning, they had a surprise of 9.74. Actually, I might consider getting into Blackberry, because it found a floor. I found, because the floor is around 12.62. It found the floor, and yesterday it bounced off that 12.6 area. If you see Blackberry comes back to again 12.7, 12.8, maybe you can just buy some share, because yeah, this is the floor. And again, they have an earning come up. So again, you can play with share, you can play with call option. But if you at least buy 100 share, you can always sell some covered call. So in the event, if you buy at 12.8, or let's say $13, and the implied volatility for Blackberry is really high. So if you can sell a covered call for $200, let's say, so you bought at $13, you sold for 200, so basically you bought your stock at $11. So if wish never sorry, not wish, Blackberry never goes to a particular strike price that you are selling, you are keeping the money. So anyway, that is another strategy. I like basically the people who has a lot of share. This covered call is something really good. uh Tilray audio is okay, yeah. So SNDL I cover in this particular channel, because somehow in this channel a lot of people are holding SNDL. So even though it is moving sideways, so yeah, I'm so Tilray had a resistance around 2021. It went and hit the resistance, and currently it is sitting around 17.5 area. Let me show you. I can't show, I'm sorry, but I'm just talking here. So if you want, you can wait for this to come to 15.5, then it will be a nice swing trade, because from 15.5 to 20, that's a $5 range. And I think Tilray is moving sideways, so maybe again a good opportunity for making some kind of swing trading. At the same time, if 15.5 is broken, 13.5 on a daily chart, this is showing me that there will be some resistance. So again, if it comes to 13.5, or even it comes to 15.5 area, you can definitely buy. And yeah, this thing will go up, and you can easily make a quick swing trade. It's a 9:10 currently. Should we continue, or I just close and you just go make some coffee, have some fun before 9:30? And definitely, if you have joined my community, and if there is something happening exciting, I will just make a post with a picture or something. For now, the pre-market, the stock I talked, I think no one is showing great green numbers. Everything is little bit of red. But again, when it is 9:30, things can change, they can start. So trade with caution, and again, do not be greedy. At the same time, lock your profit. Locking a profit is not bad. There is nothing wrong. If you lock your profit, this is your money, you want to save your money. So okay, so I'm gonna close soon. So if my audio is okay, I think you can hear me. So just say bye, take care of anything. So yeah, I will just sign off, and I will connect again, not from live, but definitely I'm planning to make a video on Blackberry, because I think this is looking very interesting, and I might play by myself. Okay, I don't know, is the chat working? But anyway, thank you so much, even though the video was lagging a lot. But the funny thing is, whenever I post the video, if you check my playlist for live or maybe stock that will gain. So whenever I post, you will see this is live. So basically whenever I talk, my video and audio, you will see they synchronize. So you can also watch that particular video later, because that time you will see that all the things I'm talking, support resistance, that thing works perfectly. So again, live, we are talking live, but again, if you watch it sometime, I will post it maybe within 10-15 minutes, it will be available for watching. So you can watch it again for tilray 13.2, 15.4, just the support. And JP, thank you so much. Joseph, thank you so much. I need to figure it out how I can make a very good live without having so many lags with my video. So thank you again. Take care and have a wonderful trading day.